everyone. I hope you all are doing well. You all are doing good at your homes, staying safe. Well, staying home is possible, but staying safe is still a great challenge in front of us. And especially I can say it for girls, because we always have to rethink when it comes to our safety. I can explain it to you with a very well and proved evidence. You must have come across this group on Instagram, the Boys Locker Room group, and you must have heard and seen the post. Let me tell you the whole story. This group, the Boys Locker Room group, is all about boys of around 16 to 19 ages, and what their work in this group is sharing the picture of nude girls, editing some random girl's body with some real girl's face. No, are you getting my point? They are all about talking dirt about girls, about underage girls, and convincing each other to rape these girls, or I should say gang rape these girls. Now already many people have spoken against about it, but today my point is not about these convicts. I'm not going to talk about these convicts anymore, their mentality or their behavior or what is the reason behind it and all. No. Today my point is to all those victims, to all those sufferers, and to all those survivors who some or the other position have been victim to these cases. I'm sorry, I'm literally sorry, but I need to talk about it. Guys, I know it is hard, it is very hard, but until and unless we are not going to speak, we are not going to raise our voice against it, these kind of fellow will keep coming in some or the other faces to us. Today it maybe has come to me, then tomorrow it may be reached to you. We have to raise our voice. We have to learn to say no. I cannot stand with it. I cannot. Absolutely not. I know this sounds very cliche कि भाई क्या सिखा रही है, हमें आवाज उठाना सिखा रही है, आवाज सबको उठाना आता है, पर अगर हिम्मत है तो जब तेरे साथ हो तब बोल कर दिखाइयो. I understand. I totally understand and totally get your point. But I assure you, if in future or if at any point of time it will happen with me, I'm surely gonna raise voice against it, because I know victim blaming is very easy for us. Victim blaming is very easy for us. Victim judging is very easy for us, but surviving as a victim is as hard as climbing Mount Everest. I know it may sound a funny comparison, but yes, I want you to understand, the more you will be tolerant to such kind of behavior, the more you will be harassed. This breaks my heart, completely breaks my heart, that where do we are evolving as a society. How are we using this technology? Now my point is, today let us show them that if you assaulters, you convicts, if you can use this social media platform to spoil our image, to spoil our reputation, to spoil our life, then we can also use this platform to punish you, to show you that no, we do not need you anymore in our society. Anymore. I know already people are raising voice against it, but I literally want that every human present on this earth, every human present in our nation especially, should raise this voice, should raise his or her voice against it. I really want you to understand, please guys, the more you will be tolerant to such behavior, the more you will be ignoring such kind of behavior कि नहीं ये तो आज नहीं तो कल, हर तीसरे दिन ये न्यूज़ आती रहती है, ये होता ही रहता है. The more you will make it as natural as something like eating food, the more you are prone to such behavior, the more you are prone to such risk. क्योंकि आज अगर किसी और के साथ हो रहा है तो कल वो आपके साथ भी हो सकता है, मेरे साथ भी हो सकता है. चुप रहना ना तो कभी सोल्यूशन था और ना कभी सोल्यूशन होगा. श्री कृष्ण ने भी कहा था, अगर पाप करने वाला अपराधी है तो पाप सहने वाला उससे बड़ा. That's all from my side. I just want to say that we need to reevaluate ourselves, we need to reevaluate our mind, and we need to think that where we are evolving as a society, as a nation. That's all. I hope you all will contribute your little part to it. You all will raise your voice, and you all will, come together to such an offending thing, and will learn, and will absolutely learn to say, no, I cannot stand with it. That's all. Thank you so much.